So what is good, people? Welcome to another investing video. In this video, we are continuing our investing $1 a day series. We are now in episode 11. So that means I need to have a minimum of $77 invested into each asset. So starting things off, here we are in my Mint wallet with gold and silver. And as you can see, for the first time in a long time, we are seeing some green arrows pointing up for gold and silver. It's been a while. Gold and silver has kind of been in a steady decline. It is doing a little bit better right now, but we've lost so much that I'm still going to be down. If we look at my total investment, we are at $58.44 in gold, $25.03 in silver for a total investment of $83.47. And you can see the dates that I made each investment. If we actually look at the investment over the time of making the three, we can see that my first investment way up here, and then it slowly goes down and down with each buy-in, and so the value has gone down, but actually not that bad. If we look at our investment in gold, or our value in gold, is $57.72. Value in silver, $23.05 for a total value of $80.77. So if we look at the difference between the gold, 58.44 and 57.72, it's really not that big of a difference. Gold has actually been holding up really well, and so I'm glad I was able to pick up 3 buys on gold. Silver is where the decline really is, and if we look down here, we can see that when I first bought that 1 ounce, it was $25.03, and we can see it just slowly decline, and then another big drop here. And so we are way below where we were when I first bought in with silver, but it's okay. I'm pretty sure it's going to go back up. Not worried about it. And you can see gold is kind of holding steady. My last purchase, it was at 57.07, and now it's at 57.72. So it's actually gone up over that last purchase. However, overall, it's going down since my first purchase. So we already have $80 invested, $83.47. So that is more than what we need to have to be caught up for the $1 a day. And so that means we don't have to put anything into it right now. We're just going to hold things off. And we'll jump into the next asset, which would be stocks. And so we can see over the week, we are up almost broken even, 0.42%. Has not changed much. Over the month, we are sitting at 2.16%, and over 3 months, 5.38%. So if we go into the individuals, still have not done anything with this USDC. Eventually, I might just roll that into EOG, but I'm going to save that for later. If we look at Starwood Property Trust, we are at 2% over the week, 5.69% over the month, and 14% over 3 months. So Starwood Property Trust is still doing very well. If we look down here, we do have a dividend payment coming in, dividend payment of 48 cents. So that is not bad considering the actual cost for 1 share is $19.75. So it's not bad at all. Not bad. 48-cent dividend, and that is a that's not a monthly dividend, that's a quarterly dividend for this stock. If we look at the analysis, it is still at an 85% buy and a 14% hold. So no selling right now, which is a good thing. If we check out the next stock, here we are at Arbor Residential REIT, and we can see that it is down 3% over the week, up 1.6% over the month, and down 3.36% over 3 months. So not much of a change, just a few percentage points. We still have it at a 100% hold for the analysis, so nothing has changed there. And we already received our dividend payment at the end of last month, which was 24 cents, which is actually really close to Starwood Property Trust. And we should be getting another one at the end of this month, since this is a monthly dividend. And our last one, EOG Resources. So we are at 1.25% up over the week. Up less than 1%, 0.71 over the month, but down 3.70 over 3 months. So not much of a change. Still doing just fine. No dividend payment yet. It's still going to be a little while before I see a dividend from EOG. But if we look at the analysis, we can see that it is still at an 82% buy and a 17% hold. So the analysis has not changed at all. Now, I still only own still less than a third of a share. And so I'm going to be once again putting the full $7 into EOG Resources, just so I can have more and more of a share. It is $116. So if you're investing $1 a day, it's going to take 120 or 117 days to actually get a full share, which is the downside to only investing $1 a day. All right, so I went ahead and made the buy, $7 of EOG through your brokerage account. Order will be filled at the end of market hours. It's actually after 5, so it might be too late. But if it doesn't go through today, then it'll be fine going through on Monday. Not a problem there. Jumping into crypto, so we are here at Dex Finance, and I'm right here on the vaults. And we can see that out of the blue chip bull, we are down to 39% APY, and we are receiving 0.10% daily on our $40 investment. We have 2 cents that we can harvest. I'm just going to leave that there. So if we look at the performance, we can see that when I deposited, we were here, and then it jumped up for a little bit, and now it's kind of gradually going down. Of course, that is because the actual value of the coins and tokens that I have is going down as well. So hopefully that will turn around pretty soon. I'm pretty sure it will. I mean, I'm not concerned about Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm sure they will both do fine. And ARX, that one, I haven't really been watching ARX. I should probably keep an eye on that to make sure that one does well. But all the other coins in this pool, in the staking pool, I'm not worried about whatsoever. But we do have that 2%, or not 2%, 2 cent reward just for staking in here, which is not much, but I only have $40 staked, so it's not too bad. If we go back to US DEX, we can see that we still have the $34.37 staked in here, earning a APR of 16%. We do have 70 cents in rewards, staking rewards, and this is principal release, 7 cents. And so what they are doing is they are slowly releasing the principal of everyone who had invested into the Binance program, everyone who had migrated their USDC over to the Arbitrum blockchain. That's where we're at right now, Arbitrum. And so they are going to slowly start giving me more and more USDEX just to replace what I staked on the Binance Smart Chain. So that is nice of them for doing that. Right now, it's only 7 cents, so I'm still going to leave it in there. It's probably not even worth claiming. The gas fees would probably be more than what I actually get. So I'm going to leave that there for a while. Once again, it is only $34, so it's not going to be much. It's going to grow very, very slowly. So I'll be leaving it there for a long time. So this time, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to continue to put some money into the vault. I'm going to put a full $7 into here. Okay, no confirmation from MetaMask, but I can actually see it jump up down here. So the chart already reflects the investment. So I should be good. I'm going to just reload the page real quick. Yeah, $46.82. All right, so we are good to go. So full $7 in there. Looks like nothing else. So all in all, when it comes to, oh, they actually already added a deposit in there. So when it comes to crypto, as far as the DEX vault, the actual vault itself, we are down a little bit, not by much. I guess it's probably like $1 that I'm down by. So basically staying the same. Of course, if we go to US DEX, we are still up because remember, this was a $28 investment. So we're still up quite a bit. And then we have a free 77 cents just from staking what we have. In stocks, we are up, but by a very small amount, not by much. But everything is looking good on the stock side, especially since we're getting another dividend payment coming in. And when it comes to metals, we are still down, but not much, only by like $2 or $3. So it's not a big deal. All in all, things are going pretty well with our investments. I am going to be looking at, I keep saying this all the time, I'm going to look at some new stuff to jump into. I definitely need to look at some new stuff on the crypto side just because it's kind of boring just showing the same stuff each and every week. So I'm looking to some new stuff to get into. But that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.